Alright, now I will walk you through the entire installation and setup process of Claude Code and how to access it and use it via Google's Antigravity. This should be done in a couple of minutes, so let's get started. Alright, as you can see, I'm here at the starting screen of Google's Antigravity, and when you go there, you already get the suggestion to download it, for example, for Mac or for Windows, and you just go with whatever system you use. I have a Mac, and I also already installed Google's Antigravity on my computer, but you just go there, download it, and then install it like any other software. And I trust in your skills that you are totally capable of doing that. When you did that and you open Antigravity, it is probably completely empty and you will be asked to log in with your Google account. So you need a Google account in order to do that. And then you just log in with your Google account. As you can see here, I'm already logged in with my Google account. You do the same and then you come to a screen like that and it should be completely empty. Here you see I already have some projects going on, but in your case, this is completely empty at that point. And when you did that, we switch over to the terminal because before we keep working now in Antigravity, we first have to install Claude Code on our computer. And for that, I prepared a little guideline that I also provide you. And this covers everything from checking the requirements, how to install Google Antigravity, you already did that at that point, how to install Claude Code, and of course also how to authenticate Claude Code, and so on and so on. And I will walk you now through that entire guideline, but just in case you want to read it for yourself, you have it available. All right, so I opened up now the terminal. We can also go to the right spot here in the guideline because we already did part 1 where we installed Google Antigravity, and we go here to install Claude Code. All right, the first thing we do is opening the terminal. On Mac, this is just the command key, the space key, and then you type terminal and you come to exactly that screen. On Windows, this looks a little bit different, but no worries. In the guideline, I also have the Windows installation. So where is it? Let me see here, opening the so-called PowerShell. You just press Windows plus the X key and you select Windows PowerShell or the terminal when you are on a Windows 11, and then you also open up such a terminal. All right, and then we have to run the so-called native installer. So we just make a copy of that command with Command C. I go over to the terminal and I paste that in. You see, it starts now with the installation process, installing Claude Code native build latest. This takes a couple of seconds, minutes, and I come back to you when this is done. Important at that point, you will see the entire installation process itself is super easy and done with a couple of commands. But if you run into an error and the system tells you that a certain program or system is missing, just take the entire command, paste it to ChatGPT and tell it, for example, please help me install Claude Code and give me all the commands and bashes in order to achieve that. And then it will tell you exactly what is missing. You install the software and then it will work. All right, you see Claude Code successfully installed. That looks good. And now we can open it. But first we close the terminal and we reopen it. So we have a fresh terminal and then I go with that command down here, Claude version. We paste it in, we hit enter, and we see we have Claude version 2.1.71. That looks good. And now we could also just type here Claude, we hit enter, and then you see that Claude is opening. Then we can select a mode, for example, the light mode, the dark mode, whatsoever. We just hit here enter, and then we have to select how we want to log in. And as I have the Pro subscription, and I also highly recommend you to go with the Pro or Max subscription, don't use an API key because they can ban you if you do that. You just select Claude account with subscription. And now we open up another browser window. And now we just log in with our Claude subscription. I go here to authorize. And now we get the information. You're all set up for Claude Code. Now you can close the window. Perfect. So here you basically just log in with your Anthropic Claude subscription. Make sure you have the subscription before you do that. All right, we are logged in successfully. I hit here enter. Now the installation process starts, and in a couple of seconds we should be good to go. Now it asks us if we want the recommended settings. We just go here with yes, and we go here with yes, I trust this folder. And that's it. So now we installed it, and we could use Claude Code here in the terminal. But as I said earlier, this looks horrible. I don't like to work here. And because of that, I like to work within Antigravity. And as I also said, I have an entire guideline here for Mac and also for Windows, how you install it. So now we go over to Antigravity, and we just have to install the Claude Code extension within Antigravity so that we finally can use Claude Code the same way how I personally do it. So now we are in Antigravity, and what we do here is the following. We just go here to open a folder. Then we go to new folder, and we call it example Claude course. Okay, you can give it any name you want. I just want to make sure I remember that folder because it's just an example project for the video course. Good, I hit here create, and then we go to open. And now you see we have to give permission. Yes, we trust the authors of that folder. And now we are basically in that project folder on our computer. Okay. And now we want to open the Claude Code extension. And we do that by clicking here on the left side to extensions, and we search for Claude Code. Here it is, Claude Code for VS Code. This is exactly what we want. And then we click here to install. This takes a couple of seconds, and then it should be done. This is done, and then we can just click here on that little star or that little Claude icon to open it up. So here it is. Then we can close that one, and we can go back here to the Explorer. So you see we have a complete empty project, and also that agent here on the side, which is the default agent that is in that case running with Gemini, can be closed. So now we have Claude Code, and here we have the complete empty project. And now that I already installed it earlier and I just uninstalled it for the sake of the demonstration, I'm already logged into my Claude account and it detected that. But if you're completely fresh, you type here /login, then you come to exactly that screen, and then you log in here with the Claude AI subscription. You say, yes, I want to do that. Then you give it access to your Claude account. You go to authorize, and then you're set. So now you set it up, and now you can use it the exact same way as I do that personally.